This is Camo Pigeon 342, and today I'm going to show you how to put a pretty much a summer board theme on winterboard for 2.0 firmware, since summer board's not out yet. Basically, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create images that are the right size to put on there. So I'm using Photoshop to edit certain images, and I've created this theme for summer board. This is actually the theme that I use. So right now I've got it all opened. I've got my wallpaper, my dock, and my status bar. Now those are short of doing icons and stuff like that, which I haven't done for winterboard or anything like that. I don't know if it supports it or not. Basically what I'm doing is just creating a status bar, a dock, and wallpaper, and that's all I'm doing. So the easiest way to do this is, short of downloading a theme and doing all that stuff, is to just open up Photoshop or whatever you're using and go to you're gonna go File, New, and then you're gonna create an image to a certain size. Now I have the sizes right here for how big they need to be. For the wallpaper, it's 320 pixels for the width and 480 height. I'm gonna post all this in the video description so you know how big to make the images. It's really you just gotta make it so they fit correctly, and then you'll be fine. But if you just look in the video description, you'll find the image sizes, and then you'll be alright. So first thing you need to do is to make the actually make the theme. So what you're gonna save it as is wallpaper.png, dock.png, and statusbar.png. So once you do all that, you're gonna need to download winterboard onto your phone or iPod Touch, and then make sure that's all up to date and running and stuff. Then you're gonna have to SSH into your phone or iPod Touch. I've got videos on iPhone browser, which is a hard connection to your phone if you're on PC and you can't SSH. If you don't know what SSHing is, go look up what it is. It's pretty much just connecting to the files on your phone. I'm using CyberDuck because I'm on Mac. I would recommend WinSCP for wallpaper, or wallpaper, what the hell am I talking about? Windows. And so yeah, so basically once you have all these open, you're gonna need to save them into a theme folder. So I've got them saved. I have them saved already. So once you save them as a .png, make sure they're .png, because if they're not .png, it's not gonna work. So when you go File, you go Save As, you need to save it as .png. See that right there? It says .png. You go down here and it'll probably be a JPEG or a Photoshop document, but you need to change that to .png. So yeah, alright, so now I'm gonna go figure out where I saved them at. It's over here, summer board, and here's my theme. Here's the theme that I have. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just drag that entire folder over and put it in there that way. So what you need to do is you need to save all that into a certain folder. Save it all into the same little folder, nothing else in it, just your theme. Okay? So I saved this one as Green Lightning just because of the wallpaper. It looks kind of like green lightning, really. So once you have it saved, like I do right here, you're gonna go into your SSHing program. Go as far back as you can in your folders. Then you're going to go into Library, Themes. Not that hard. Not very many things to go through there. So you go into your Themes folder here. Now I already have it in here. So basically all you have to do is click and drag. And it's putting it in right now. and it wants to overwrite. I'm gonna put cancel because I don't want it to overwrite. So yeah, that's all you have to do. You have to make sure what's called, this is not correct here. Doc. Okay. Make sure all the files are saved as the correct name. For your doc, it needs to be capital D, lowercase o, lowercase c, lowercase k, .png. StatusBar, capital S, and then lowercase for TATUS, and then for the rest of it, capital B, and then lowercase a, lowercase r. So StatusBar, pretty much, and it's one word, no spaces, .png. So, and then Wallpaper is capital W, and then it's Wallpaper, and that's it. .png. So that's all you have to do to get a custom theme for winterboard, and then you'll be able to go into winterboard and click on your theme, and it'll pop up, and all your stuff will be there. Hopefully this worked for you. If it didn't, leave a comment. I'll be sure to respond and try and help you out. Thanks for watching.